I'm super excited because yesterday I received my order for my magic concealers from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have been on the hunt for a new concealer. I mentioned that on my natural get ready with me video. So I decided to give these a shot. They finally arrived, so I'm ready to start playing around with the concealers and the powder. I picked up 3 of the concealers and 1 of the powders. I picked up the powder in the color Rose, and then I picked up the concealers in Peach, which is the color corrector. I picked up my under eye concealer in C7 and one that matches my skin tone in C9. C9 is for medium skin with warm peach undertones. C7 is for light to medium skin with neutral undertones. Peach is to neutralize dark under eye circles, dark spots, and acne scars. And Tarte's Shape Tape in light neutral is for light skin with neutral undertones. Now, how amazing is this packaging? It is super cute. I love the pink box. I was pretty impressed when I opened up and I saw the concealers because they look so pretty in person. They look a lot better in person than they do online or on photos that you see. The packaging is just so nice. I've never seen packaging this pretty before. Ignore my nails. It's just so nice. And here is the powder. I haven't played around with the powder yet, so I can't wait to go ahead and get started. But for today's video, I am going to go ahead and do a comparison between the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Concealer and everybody's favorite, I think, the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the test and see how they compare to each other because why not? So everybody knows Tarte Shape Tape. This baby retails for $27 and you have 0.33 ounces in here, which is a lot of product. 33 ounces is 9.7 milligrams, and this is full coverage and it dries matte. It has a dry finish to it. So it doesn't feel super moisturizing underneath the eyes, but I still really do like it. It doesn't crease on me at all. I've worn this everywhere and anywhere. I've worn it all day out in Disney. I live in Florida, so it really stands up well to humidity. And it is really creamy, but it does dry matte. But this is just my favorite concealer. It's definitely worth the money, for sure. Now, Jeffree Star Concealer retails for $22, so you are saving $5, but you do get a little bit of less product in here. You do get 3.4 milliliters in here compared to the 9.7 milliliters that you do get for Tarte Shape Tape, but you are paying a little less for it as well. You're saving $5 with this one, and the packaging is just so cute. So yeah, $27, $22. I picked mine up again in C7, and in the Shape Tape I use light neutral. Now, the perks for the Jeffree Star Concealer, they say that it is creamy, it provides high coverage, and it has anti-aging properties, which who doesn't love that? It is self-setting and it helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm really excited to put this to the test and see how it works and how it competes with the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and try these and see how they work throughout the day. For foundation, I am using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid and I am in the color NC35. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply our concealer and set it with the Magic Star powder. And I picked mine up in the color Rose. I still haven't opened it. Oh my God, it smells like cotton candy. The concealer has no scent to it. Okay. So I'm gonna put on my foundation and then I'll be back to apply the concealer. Okay, the first Jeffree Star concealer I'm going to go in with is C9, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this in any dark spots around my face that I want to conceal. This has a very nice doe foot applicator, and it has a little hole in the center which picks up a lot of product, which is very nice. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my chin because I have acne scars on my chin. I always get pimples there when it's that time of the month. And I have a little bit of discoloration here. I get that from my mom. My mom had that. I also have my mom's neck. All these creases on my neck. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that here. And I am tanned. It looks a lot lighter with this foundation on. But we're gonna go for it. It blends in super nice. Now I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting underneath my eyes, and I'm going to use the shade Peach for that. I gotta scoot in a little bit. I gotta get the mirror a little bit closer because I have to see what I'm doing. I really like this color. I like this shade of Peach. I've used orange before and I wasn't a fan, but this color is very nice. It blends like a dream, people. Yeah, that blended super, super nice. So now for the concealer itself, I'm gonna go ahead with C7 on my left eye, and then I'm gonna do the Tarte Shape Tape on my right. Now I know Tarte dries really, really fast. I'm not sure how this one dries. It feels so smooth. I really like it. It looks super full coverage, but it feels very soft. Damn. I brought that all the way up. We'll blend it, don't worry. It blends in so nice. It's blending really well with the MAC foundation. Damn, that blended in very, very nice. I know it looks like super white right now, but we're gonna fix it. We still got a bronze, don't worry. All right, now I know it says that this is a self-setting concealer, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it really quickly, just in case. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the Rose setting powder, just a little bit on the cap, and set that under eye concealer. I can't get over the smell. It smells so good. It makes me want to eat the powder. Wow, it feels so lightweight, but it provides so much coverage. I'm impressed, Jeffree, I'm impressed. Now let's go on with a little bit of Tarte. I never go heavy-handed with Tarte because it's like super full coverage. And if you apply too much, it could get like super cakey. I feel like that's a lot. For me, that's a lot. Let's go ahead and blend that out. I feel like the Jeffree Star Concealer is definitely a lot creamier than Shape Tape and easier to blend. And this one's already creasing a little bit here, which is insane. I wonder if it's because of the color corrector, because this never creases on me. All right, let's go ahead and set that. Here is a little up close. This is the Jeffree Star Concealer. Here's Shape Tape. I'm gonna quickly finish up the rest of my face and then we'll come back. Okay, so I just finished, hold on, let me make sure I have no lipstick on my teeth. Okay. So I just finished applying both concealers and finishing up the rest of my makeup, and I am super, super impressed. I am gonna test this out all day. I have a whole bunch of errands to run. So I am gonna do a check-in maybe throughout the day, but for sure a little later to see how both concealers hold up and just to see how it holds up in the Florida humidity weather. So I'm definitely gonna put it to the test, but this is how it looks like so far, and I really do love the Jeffree Star Concealer. I already have some opinions, but I'm gonna tell you guys my opinions later at the end of the day. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera to the window so you guys can see what it looks like in natural lighting. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Natural lighting, Jeffree Star, Tarte Shape Tape. Actually, you know what? Let's go outside. How about that? Let's take it outside. My neighbor's gonna be like, what is she doing? I like. Okay, I will check back with you guys a little later for an update. Hey guys, so I am back for my check-in. This is my first and final check-in. I didn't have time to do a check-in during the day, but I have been wearing this makeup for 7 hours and I haven't done any type of touch-ups. I haven't even touched up my lipstick and I ate twice already today. This lipstick is one of my favorites. But I mean, my makeup looks great. The concealers look great. Honestly, they both look pretty much identical when it comes to the coverage, and when it comes to the color as well. They're pretty similar. I don't think you can tell that I'm wearing two different concealers. I think they look pretty damn good. And I am low-key obsessed with the Jeffree Star concealer. I really love it. I think it's right there hand in hand with the TARTE Shape Tape. It is absolutely amazing. I do like the Jeffree Star a tad bit better because not only does it provide the same amount of coverage, but it feels more lightweight on the skin and not as heavy as Shape Tape does. So it's very creamy, but it feels very lightweight while providing amazing coverage, which is crazy. And it doesn't feel super duper dry underneath the eye like Shape Tape can after a while. But yeah, I mean, this concealer is bomb, you guys. I really like it. I'm not gonna get rid of my Tarte Shape Tape because it's also a favorite, but Jeffree Star is definitely a new fave and I will definitely continue to use it. I am super impressed with the quality of this concealer. And again, obsessed with the packaging. It is so unique, so custom, and just so beautiful. It's really nice to just have it on your vanity. It just looks very pretty. But the consistency of this concealer, it's just really nice. It's really nice and I definitely recommend it. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know, have you guys tried the Jeffree Star concealers? If you have, I would love to know what you guys like about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Or what your favorite concealer is? I'm always on the hunt for a new concealer, but I really want to know if you guys have tried the Jeffree Star concealers and what are your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below because I love reading comments when I get them. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.